Just when you thought you loved your Apple Card as much as you could already, you're gonna love it even more. What's up, Internet? I'm Brian MacDuff, aka BMAC, and welcome to another video. And if you like videos about tech reviews, product unboxings, and filmmaking or photography tutorials, make sure you smash that subscribe button with all notifications turned on so that you never miss another video on this channel. So Apple has officially announced a new high-yield savings account for your Apple Card that puts even more cash back from qualifying purchases into your pocket. Setting up the savings account is incredibly easy, incredibly fast, and incredibly secure, and all of it takes place within the matter of just a few seconds right on your iPhone. So here's how to do it. The first thing you need to do is launch the Wallet app on your iPhone, and from there you're going to select your Apple Card from the other cards available in your wallet. Once that opens up, you're going to want to click on the three dots in the top right-hand corner, and from there, you're going to want to select the Daily Cash option, which will immediately bring you to your lifetime cashback received window. It's pretty cool to see, but more importantly, you're going to see your current Daily Cash election. You should see Apple Cash as the selected option, as well as its current balance, as well as a new option, Savings. If you click on Setup within this new Savings option, you'll immediately see the current high-yield savings account that's being offered to you. A high-yield savings account is going to pay out interest to you on a month-to-month basis, which is actually perfect for if you're like me and you usually let your daily cash accumulate before you make a larger purchase. All you have to do to continue is, well, click continue, and you'll be prompted to put in your social security number, read and agree to the terms and conditions, as well as confirm some more additional information from the IRS. If all goes well, you'll see an opening account window where your application is submitted to Goldman Sachs Bank USA, and within literally just a few seconds, you'll see your account created. From here, you'll immediately see the option to transfer your current daily cash to your savings account, which you're most likely going to want to do, and that's quite literally all there is to it. Your daily cash back will now be automatically and immediately deposited into your new high-yield savings account from Apple, tied directly to your Apple Card. And at any given time, you can head to your savings account and see your balance, your interest earned, simply by selecting your Apple Card and clicking Savings Account. This is also where you can add money or withdraw money 24/7. Simply select Add Money to deposit money, or Withdraw to withdraw from your savings account so you can immediately transfer it to your Apple Cash or in a few days to one of your connected bank accounts. To see all of your savings account details, all you have to do is click on the three dots in the upper right-hand corner, and then you're going to select Account Details, where you can see your bank account routing number as well as your account number. You're also going to be able to see your balance and even your interest paid history. You can also make sure you have notifications turned on for your savings account to make sure that you receive notifications whenever APY changes or when interest is paid out under the Notifications tab. I don't know about you, but I think it's pretty awesome to see all of the ways the Apple Card continues to get better and better with 1%, 2%, 3% cashback, and even bonus offers. Now the ability to basically double down on your cash savings to earn even more from your daily cash through this new high-yield savings account linked directly to your Apple Card. As always, if you guys are interested in learning more about the Apple Card or to look into getting one of these bad boys for yourself, you guys could of course always head to my affiliate link, bmac.link/AppleCard, or of course there'll always be a clickable link in the video description box below as well, so check that out. And now that I'm getting this additional cash back from my already daily cash, it might be time to finally go get that Mac Studio that I've been having my eye on. Today might be that day. I'll see you guys in my next video.